Wow, another nice day on Mars.
Beautiful, beautiful. Mars
First
is really
two people
cool.
on Mars, eh?
Yeah, only people on Mars.
Yeah.
We don't have to worry about anything.
They said they couldn't do it. We know who they is, right?
Yeah, we did it. We just walked here.
That's right.
It's pretty awesome.
What the hell is that? Oh, jeez. There's their waste of money.
Yeah, get out of here. Get out of here.
There goes $500 billion, eh? Is it noon?
Oh, it's noon.
Hey, my channel is Invisible for Good, and thanks for staying up till noon.
Yes, thanks for that intro, Earthling. Thanks for staying up till noon. My name is Ryan.
My name is Cory. It's a pretty good intro. It's not on Mars. Not an intro from Mars, but it'll do.
We're on Mars, guys. We're actually here. We're actually recording from Mars.
So, guys, pretty obvious, but here we go. Episode is...
Okay, we're on Mars, and we got 10 facts. Yes, we're on Mars. We've got 10 facts. Pretty cool. It's pretty cool here.
Rover. Where's the rover?
That rover blew up. I swiped
Red
my, I swiped my hand at it.
I call you over to blow you up, right?
I swiped my hand at it and blew up $500 billion, right, NASA? I'm going to take away the first fact here. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun, if you guys didn't know, and last of the terrestrial planet, and is around 227,940,000 kilometers from the sun.
Wow.
Pretty far.
The planet is named after Mars, the Roman god of war. Another cool fact. It was known to the ancient Greeks as Ares, their god of war. This is thought to be because of the blood red color of the planet, which was also used by other ancient cultures. Chinese astronomers call Mars the fire star, while ancient Egyptian priests call it Her Desher, meaning the red one.
The red one.
That's we're on the red one.
The red planet, am I right?
Kind of orangey, huh? They're all wrong, hey?
Yeah, we're here. We can actually see it with our own eyeballs.
It's kind of off red.
The landmass of it's actually purple. The landmass of Mars and Earth are very similar, despite Mars just being 15% the volume and 10% mass of Earth. It actually has a similar landmass because water covers about 70% of Earth's surface. You guys know that.
Cool.
The surface gravity of Mars is about 37% the gravity found on Earth. This means that on Mars you could, in theory, jump 3 times higher than you could on Earth.
Oh boy,
pretty cool.
Let's try it after.
Yeah, might as well.
After we're here.
We're here. Might as well jump 3 times higher.
We're telling you these facts because we've actually done it.
Yeah.
Pieces of Mars have been found on Earth. Yeah, I can see that happening.
Yeah, because we're here.
We've already we
have a table.
We've already tossed things aside.
We have a table. We've got like mugs here.
It's believed that trace amounts of the Martian atmosphere were within meteorites that the planet ejected. These meteorites then orbited the solar system for millions of years amongst the other objects and solar debris before eventually entering Earth's atmosphere and crashing to the ground. The study of this material has allowed scientists to discover more about Mars before launching space missions.
It's pretty cool.
That's right.
Pretty all right. I guess we'll just bring like a jar of like Mars back to Earth. A jar of Mars. Rhymes. Okay, next one here.
Mars jar. Right?
Mars jar for like $10.
Is that a bar? Mars bar?
Mars jar for $10. Mars was once believed to be the home to intelligent life. What?
You know what? It's true. Everybody, all these shows and cartoons, it's always Martian. You know, like Martian space life, Mars, and. Anyway, go on, Ryan.
This came from a discovery of lines or grooves in the surface called canali by Italian astronomer Giovanni Schiaparelli. He believed that these were not natural occurring and were proof of intelligent life. However, these were later shown to be an optical illusion. So it was once believed to have intelligent life.
All of NASA's work is an optical illusion, eh?
Ooh, what have they done?
What have they done
Not
besides
much.
make optical illusions?
Is that Mars rover even up there? I mean, here? Because we're here.
The tallest known mountain in the solar system is on Mars, or believed to be on Mars. Let's go check it out after.
Yeah, might as well hike up it.
Olympus Mons is a 21-kilometer high
Mons.
and 600-kilometer diameter shield volcano that was formed billions of years ago.
Yikes.
Scientists have found a lot of recent evidence of volcanic lava, which suggests that Olympus Mons may still be active.
Pretty cool. I dig it.
Very cool.
I dig that volcano. Mars experienced huge dust storms, which is, a lot of people know that knowledge. The largest in our solar system, though, but you didn't know that. This is due to the elliptical shape of the planet's orbit path around the sun. What were you going to say? It sounded like you were going to say something. No, say it.
No.
The orbit path is more elongated than many of the other planets, and this oval-shaped orbit results in fierce dust storms that cover the entire planet and can last for many months.
Hasn't happened here yet.
Ha, no dust storms in other planets to stars.
And it takes Mars 687 Earth days to orbit the Sun with its orbit radius of 227,840,000 kilometers.
That's pretty close to 2 years, though. Like, it's like 687. That's pretty close.
Almost, yeah, exactly.
Pretty cool. Mars has seasons like Earth, but they last twice as long, which makes sense since there's the rotation is twice as long.
Pretty balmy here right now.
This is because
we came during summer.
This is because Mars is tilted on its axis about 25.19 degrees.
Yeah, you can tell.
I could totally tell.
As soon as we got here, I was like, yeah, we're tilted.
Which another weird fact is that it's very, very close to the similar of Earth's axis at 22.5 degrees.
But you can't tell. You can't tell.
No, you can't tell.
Here. And last, guys, the orbit of Mars is the most eccentric of the 8 planets. This means it is the least circular orbit path of all the planets.
That's pretty crazy.
It has a really funky orbital path.
Wonder why.
Orbital.
We got to figure out why. Why don't you do that, NASA? Why don't you just figure that out?
Well, guys, I think we're gonna come home. That was a good episode.
I don't want to come home.
Thanks for joining us.
Yeah. So yes, let us know down below what you think of the episode.
That's right, guys. Like and share, subscribe, #UTN, our website, uptillnoon.com. Quick access to social media links, our merch shop. It's all over the place.
Yes, please check it out. We'd love for you guys to pop on by and say hi.
You got something else for us here, Ryan?
Oh, do I? Before we go back to Earth.
Before we go back home?
Spoonful of Noonful for you guys. Here we go.
Fact about Earth from Mars.
Yeah.
You've seen it here first.
You've seen it here first on YouTube, Earth YouTube. As a result of Earth's geological activity, the volcanoes and the earthquakes, of course, the surface of the Earth has far fewer craters than the surface of planets such as Mars,
I
Venus,
said that
and Mercury.
as soon as we got here. I said, holy moly, lots of craters.
Yeah.
Not like Earth.
Has fewer craters than even the moon. Why?
Wow.
Why is that? Well, the craters have sunk down or been worn away by wind and rain over millions of years.
Cool stuff.
Pretty cool to think about. Where did those craters go? Don't worry about it.
Well,
NASA, why haven't you figured that out? Why don't you spend time on Earth rather than on Mars? NASA's paid us like $500 billion just to come here. We're just coming back. We got paid.
How are we breathing here, by the way?
Air.
Yeah, we got air.
There's actually oxygen. It's like perfectly. There's a lot of people up here too. NASA's just hiding it from you.
That's right.
Anyways, that's the end of the episode, guys. As always,
Thanks for staying up till noon.
On Mars.
Or Mars.
On Mars. Just Mars.